This is a 9-mark question, 3 marks for spag on it. The question is, for one of your geographical inquiries, evaluate how successful your data collection methods were in helping you to reach valid conclusions. So a couple of key things here. So evaluate, it's a 9-marker. So what I need to do is I need to make sure I'm saying it's successful. However, it wasn't successful, and then I'm talking in conclusion about which way I'm going. Obviously, all the time I'm linking back to my aims, because that will enable me to tell how valid my conclusions were. So the title of our fieldwork was, to what extent does sediment size decrease east along Highcliffe Beach? Missed an E off the end there, I think. Pop that on. Firstly, it could be argued that our data collection methods were successful in helping us to reach valid conclusions, because the method of stone collecting was repeatable. This was seen by the fact we always collected 20 stones on a systematic sample using the heel-to-toe method. This makes the conclusions valid because we managed to get the same results each time we measured the stones. By that we mean, it doesn't matter how many stones we measured, we're always going to put them in the same calipers, which would give us the same result. On the other hand, others would argue the methods were not successful in helping us to reach valid conclusions because we only collected 20 stones at the 3 sites. This is therefore not representative of the Highcliffe Beach and questions the validity of our conclusions. So in this one here, got specific evidence in, 20 stones, 3 sites, and obviously need to finish up in conclusion. Although we only measured a small number of stones, our methods were successful because they were repeatable. The results always supported the theory of longshore drift, making the stones smaller. Therefore, it could be argued that our conclusions are valid. One thing we might just pop in here is stones getting smaller due to attrition. So a bit of evidence, a bit of theory that we might have missed out on there. It's a really simple structure. We've got a for, we've got an against, and we finish with a conclusion.